So here we have the BMW 320d Automatic Sports Tourer on an 18 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. The tailgate on this car will open electronically. You can do that from the key or from the tailgate itself. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space as well, along with the 3 individually folding rear seats should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the fuel gauge, then the speedometer, the rev counter, and the coolant temperature gauge over on the right-hand side. In the middle, you can see the total miles of this car, which are 20,231. The information displayed above that can be changed by using a button on the end of the indicator stalk for various bits of trip computer and fuel economy information. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the right hand side we have cruise control and speed limiter, and on the left hand side stereo and phone controls. Over in the center you'll find BMW's business nav screen. So all the movement I'm making up on the screen, it's all being done using the Idrive system, which is essentially this dial and the collection of buttons that surround it. So you can access things directly from these buttons, or you can use the dial itself. So for example, satellite navigation. As you can see, that's a lovely color display. There's a full video showing how this works on both our website and on our YouTube channel as well. When it comes to music in this car, we can see there we've got DAB, FM and AM radio, a CD player. We've got Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly once you pair up your phone. We also have USB input as well, so loads of ways to listen to your music in this car. Working our way down, we have the CD player for the car, the main volume for the stereo. We then have dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed from here. You can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in, independently, again, for both driver and passenger. When you're happy with those settings, this button turns your air conditioning on. Same button again will turn it off, or hit auto. The car will now maintain those temperatures for you by taking control of the fan speed and the direction of the air. Press that button again, you'll go back to whatever setting you previously had it on. We also have a heated driver seat and a heated passenger seat, both with 3 different heat settings on each. Underneath this section, we have 2 cup holders and a 12-volt charging socket, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, and then these buttons just here. So you can turn off the traction control, you can turn off the parking sensors, and this last button will change the driving setup of the car. So you can put the car into sport mode, comfort, or Eco Pro. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.